No matter whatever we think about the development in the country, but everyone needs to observe that we are not saving enough despite the income is increasing. Hey everyone, this is Anuj Vora, and in this video, I'm gonna discuss that why India's saving culture is dying. So without any further ado, let's get started. But before starting the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and do like the video. So whenever I upload a new video like this, you will get notified. It is being observed that the people who live in urban areas are not saving enough, and on the other hand, if we talk about rural areas, the people are continuously saving more and more. But why people who live in urban areas are not saving enough? You may think that it is not a major issue to discuss. India has more than 1.3 billion population, and more than 60% of population is under 35 years of age. We Indians are famous in the world, especially for savings. It is being said that Indians are 3 times richer than average Americans who live in the United States. Such things happen because we know how to manage money better than any other people around the world. In the developed countries like the United States and the UK, the schools and colleges are taking lectures on the importance of saving money and how to save money. They don't have a culture of saving, hence they need to arrange such lectures for students. On the other hand, in India, as soon as we start earning money, we first plan how much money should I save. But things have been changing from the last decade, and it is being observed that the saving habit is continuously declining. Now let us discuss the 6 unique reasons why people are not saving enough. Now the first is income, expenses and savings. When income increases, the expense also increases. That's the simple philosophy of economics, and there is no problem with it. People love buying materialistic things, but when the income and expenses are increasing, at the same time saving should also be increased. But when it comes to India, saving is not increasing. Expenses are increasing, income is increasing, on the other hand, savings are declining. Now let us look at the second reason. You may find it surprising, but social media has made a huge impact on our mindset. Social media has started exposing us, as we love to show off our fancy and rich lifestyle to everyone. We tend to spend money, not because we have the need for that particular product or services. Whenever we buy new things, we go for a vacation or anything like that. We share photos, videos and stories on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp and even TikTok. So now what happens is, we want to share with people, and hence we buy products which we don't need. That's the problem. Now let us look at the third reason. The third and very much important reason is e-commerce websites. Amazon, Flipkart and Paytm all have been giving so much discount since the beginning of data revolution by the Reliance Jio. These companies are giving discounts even after they make losses because they want our daily attention, and eventually we purchase from their platform. Despite having massive discounts, if we observe that our expense must have increased because we have purchased more products than ever before. Now let us look at the fourth reason. The fourth reason is Ola and Uber, and this is not applicable for many cities. Still, in small cities, these companies are not delivering their service. But from medium to large cities, Ola and Uber have become a social status trend. Now there are thousands and millions of people. They should have travel from a public transport, but they prefer to use Ola and Uber, and that service is way more expensive than public transport. Now let's look at the fifth reason. OTT platforms. Right now, when I'm recording this video, it is lockdown due to COVID-19 pandemic, and it is being observed that people have started buying more and more subscription plans of Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar Premium and so many things. The industry of OTT platforms, that is the online media streaming platform, has been growing rapidly for last 4 to 5 years, and this pandemic and this lockdown and this COVID-19 situation has boosted their business a lot. There are so many OTT platforms in the market offering a bunch of content. We never needed to watch a web series, or we never wanted to buy a subscription plan for Hotstar, Netflix, Amazon Prime, and so many. Media streaming platforms are literally wasting our time and money as well. But as discussed, it has become a trend nowadays. And eventually, people buy their subscription. Now let's look at the final reason. It is Zomato and Swiggy. Just look back in 2010 and think how many times you were going to the restaurants in a month, maybe 5 to 6 times maximum. Zomato and Swiggy have successfully made a huge negative impact. No matter, these two companies have been giving discounts for years, but the habit of eating outside food has increased a lot. The frequency of ordering food online has been increasing a lot as people have easy access to the internet. Now let us conclude this video. The young generation is being influenced by a Western culture where there is almost no concept of saving. Everyone should understand the basic difference between the needs and wants. Drinking water is our need and mineral water is our want. So I hope you like this video on India's money saving culture, and do share with your friends. If you want to utilize your money smartly, I have created a course on Udemy where I will teach you how you should manage your money and how you can create wealth in the long run. And if you want to invest, I can help you. You can contact me at anujvora.investing@gmail.com. I will put a link also in a description below. I hope you like this video, and I will see you in the next one.